Assalamualaikum and peace be upon you. My name is Irman Remol Hassan, working as assistant engineer in Unimas. In the meantime, as a part-time student at UTM Space Kuching. In this vlog, I will share the tasks I need to do after returning to work after MCO. Come, let's go. Now I have arrived at work as
Audio Hub Preview.
As usual, I need to log in attendance first. This is our attendance system at Unimas.
Audio Hub Preview.
Next, I will show you the workshop where I work. This is the workshop where I work. I'm not sure if this roller shutter can be opened or not because it hasn't been used for a long time. Maybe I should say a magic word to open it.
Niat ngengson matek aji smarni se.
Audio Hub Preview. Audio Hub Preview.
Now, I will show you some tasks that I will do. First, I will check the situation in the workshop and make sure it is safe to do daily tasks. Next, ensure the fire extinguishers still work. Doors and windows show no signs of breaking. And lastly, before turning on the machine, it is important to check the electrical distribution boards and electrical sockets. After making sure this place is in a safe condition to perform the task, next I will start with this machine. I will try to turn on and running this machine. This machine function is to cut or shape iron, copper or aluminum from original shape and original size to the desired size. The safety precaution that I must consider is to make sure there is no electrical leakage from the socket to the machine.
Audio Hub Preview.
Then make sure the lubricating well is still at tolerance level. Now I can switch on the machine. And test the motor whether it's working or not. Before running this machine continuously for a few minutes, I need to check the gear whether it is in the lower gear or not. As you can see here from the gear selection
Audio
panel,
Hub Preview.
I must make sure whether this gear is on the minimum speed or not. You can see the minimum speed is 30. It's A, number 1, number 1. Here is number 1. Then
Audio Hub Preview.
gear need to go to A. After change the gear to a lower speed, we need to disengage this emergency button and switch on the machine. Now the machine is running. I will leave this machine for a few minutes, then test the emergency button, hand button and foot brake. Emergency button, foot brake.
Audio Hub Preview.
I'm really sure this machine is safe to use. After that, the machine can be fully tested by switching to every gear available on this gearbox. And I'm going to do all the same tests on all the machine here.
Audio Hub Preview.
Next, I will show you at the welding section. I will also test the welding machine because it has not been used for several months. I must wear appropriate clothing before do welding.
Audio Hub Preview.
First, I will make sure the oven where the welding electrode is still working. This is the welding rod that we use.
Audio Hub
6013.
Preview.
A temperature is set to ensure the welding electrode is not humid.
Audio Hub Preview.
Let's take a look at the welding machine. On this welding machine, there is one main switch and one current converter. This is how
Audio
to
Hub
change the
Preview.
current to suit the electrode. I should use the current at 120 ampere. This is how to change the current to suit the electrode use.
Audio Hub Preview.
Switch on and switch on the switch at the machine and let it running for several minutes. Workpiece lead cable
Audio
clip
Hub
onto the
Preview.
table near to the workpiece. Mount the electrode to the electrode torch. Before
Audio
start
Hub
welding,
Preview.
hit the electrode by scratching or tapping on the surface of the workpiece. Only then you can begin the welding. do the testing process several times just to make sure the welding machine does not have problems. I will do the same test on every welding machine here. I think
Audio
that's
Hub
all for my
Preview.
blog, and it's time to go home now. Thank you.
I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and they've forgiven my mistakes. I'm coming home, I'm coming home.
Thank you for watching my blogs, and especially to very kind person and tolerant lecturers who teach the subject of English communication skills. I'm very grateful to Madam Rohani Osman, and not forgetting to all my friends who helped
Audio
a lot.
Hub Preview.
I apologize again if there are any mistake and omission in this video. I'm very sorry. Assalamualaikum and bye bye.